SIP panel go together?
Okay, we order all of our foam from our supplier, and it is ordered in different thicknesses based off of the job we're currently producing. Once the foam comes in, Rudel does our wire chases and cuts the foam to length to fit in the panels. And we get our OSB from a different supplier. It comes in 8-foot by 24-foot sheets. Tommy cuts that to the length of the panels. Then the foam is ran through our laminating machine. It's a water-based glue, so once it runs through the machine, it runs through the water mister. And they lay each piece of OSB into the press, put the foam on, put another piece of OSB on top in a sandwich pattern until we get the press full. Then they fill the press up, and then we shut the press and turn it on for the amount of time based off of the temperature and humidity in the building.
So now you may wonder, how do we cut panels? Not every company has a CNC panel fabricating machine. We are FischerSIPs are one of them that does have it. So we're going to go ahead and watch this panel get cut with our CNC machine.
Here at FischerSIPs, once the panels are fabricated on the CNC machine, we bring them to the RTA department where we recess the foam, install the lumber, which makes it easier and faster for the customer to do the installation.
So once your panels are complete, you might be wondering how they come to the job site. Well, what we do is we stack the panels all about 4 feet tall by as long and wide as they are, whether it's 4 feet or 8 feet. And then we're gonna wrap them with 4mm plastic on top and stretch wrap around the sides. And then you can see the job name and the panel numbers are on the stack, so you know which panels are in those stacks. Now, once these stacks get to your job site, if you think the panels are gonna be resting, sitting there for any more than about 2 weeks, you wanna cut this plastic wrap off, let them breathe, and put tarps over it.